Hello guys, this is Terry from Nikko of America. Today we will show you how to build our magazine rack. As you can see over here, these are our medium-sized plastic-based magazine rack. However, all the magazine racks are pretty much same in terms of instruction and the process of building it. So we'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, first you put the fixed side on the spot. Very easy, very simple process. And next you want to put movable side, which just slides right in there. Very easy. Okay, and now top base. And just slide it back. And lock 4 lock levels. And now we're going to put a card guide, or often referred as metal bar. Just slide it in the hole. It's very easy, very simple process. Slightly lift it up and slide right in. There you go. Okay, and finally we have to put 2 more card guide in there. Push back and lock these levels. Slightly lift it up. Don't lift it up too much, or else you're gonna break the rack, or you're gonna have everything fall off and start all over again. Slightly lift it up, and there you go. It moves very smoothly, and it's done.